Here we are given three matrices A, B and C. We have to find the matrix X such that AX, B is equal to C. Okay. So now we are given that AX, B is equal to C. This is not multiplication symbol. This is X. Okay. Capital X. So pre-multiply by A inverse. In order to get rid of this A, you have to multiply it with A inverse. We get A inverse A into X into B is equal to C. Both the sides we are multiplying, so A inverse C. So this will get cancelled and you'll have XB is equal to A inverse C. Now we have to post multiply by B inverse in order to get rid of this B. So X into B inverse is equal to A inverse C into B inverse. So X will be A inverse C into B inverse. So this is what we have to find. So consider RHS. So first we'll find A inverse C. A inverse C is, so for finding A inverse we have to check the determinant value first. So determinant value of A is 0 minus of minus plus 2, so which is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. So the next thing we have to find is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is we know that we have to interchange the elements in the leading diagonal and change the signs of the off diagonal elements. So this is adjoint of A. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant value of A into edge of A. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 0, 1 minus 2, 1. So this is A inverse. Now we have to find B inverse in the similar manner. So first thing we have to check is determinant value of B. So determinant value of B is, from the matrix of B, we get B is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So that's not equal to 0. So B inverse exists. So next thing we have to find is edge of B. Adjoint of B is, as I have said earlier, just interchange the elements in the leading diagonal and change the signs of the off diagonal elements. So this is edge of B. So B inverse will be 1 by determinant value of B into adjoint of B, which is equal to 1 by 5 into matrix 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. So now we have to find X is equal to A inverse C into B inverse. So that will be A inverse is 1 by 2 into 0, 1, minus 2 and 1 into C. So C is 1, 1, 2, 2. So this one we will find first. This product we'll find first and then we'll multiply it with matrix B. So that is 1 by 5 B inverse. 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. So product of this is half into 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 into 1 by 5 into 1, 2, minus 1, 3. So we'll have x is equal to, this is product of A inverse and C, so 2, 0, 0, 2. This half can be multiplied and you will get 1, 1, 0, 0 into 1 by 5. This is B inverse, so we have to multiply it with B inverse now. So which will give you 1 by 5 can be taken outside. So product of these two matrices will be 1 minus 1, 2 plus 3, 1 minus 1, 2 plus 3, and this is 0 plus 0, and here also 0 plus 0. So you will have 1 by 5 into 0, 5, 0, 0. So the final answer will be 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the value of x. This is for your homework. Here a matrix A is given, 3 by 3 matrix A is given. You have to find A inverse such that it is equal to half of A squared minus 3i. So first find A inverse. LHS you have to find separately and RHS you have to solve separately and check whether they are equal. That's for today's session. Thank you.